Bitcoin continues to outshine traditional finance in Q1 of 2023. Bitcoin, BTC, has been on a roll in the first quarter of 2023, outperforming 5 major stock indexes by a significant margin. According to data compiled by Finbuild, BTC's return on investment for Q1 stood at an impressive 69.4% compared to an average return of only 5% for the 5 major stock indexes. Furthermore, BTC's overall performance in 2023 so far has been excellent, despite the digital asset industry's disappointing results in 2022 due to macroeconomic factors that affected the finance sector. One of the critical reasons behind BTC's dominance in Q1 is the banking crisis. As traditional finance struggles to cope with the ongoing financial turmoil, investors are increasingly looking towards decentralized finance and cryptocurrencies like BTC as a viable investment option. This trend has significantly contributed to the positive performance of BTC compared to traditional stock options. The rise of BTC in Q1 of 2023. As of Q1 2023, Bitcoin has become one of the most sought-after assets in the investment world. BTC's price has surged to new heights, surpassing the previous all-time high set in 2021. The digital asset has become increasingly popular among institutional investors and retail investors alike. Institutions like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and Square have all invested heavily in Bitcoin, with the former having accumulated over 100,000 BTC as of early 2023. This trend is expected to continue in the future, with more institutions and companies jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon. The performance of BTC in Q1 of 2023 is exceptional when compared to the traditional finance sector's lackluster performance. The banking sector, in particular, has been struggling due to several macroeconomic factors, including inflation, rising interest rates, and geopolitical tensions. As a result, investors have become increasingly cautious about investing in traditional stock options, leading them to look towards decentralized finance and cryptocurrencies. BTC has emerged as the top choice among investors, given its outstanding performance in Q1 of 2023. BTC outperforms 5 major stock indexes in Q1. According to Finbuild, BTC has outperformed 5 major stock indexes in Q1 of 2023 by more than 170%. This means that investors who invested in BTC in Q1 have made a substantial profit compared to those who invested in traditional stock options. Among the 5 indexes observed, Nasdaq Composite, IXIC, had the highest returns at 17.39%. Conversely, S&P 500, SPX, had a return of 6.36%, followed by US Small Cap 2000, RUTH, at 2.51%, FTSE 100, FTSE, at 0.99%, and finally, Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI, with a return of a mere 0.56%. The data shows that BTC has significantly outperformed these indexes, cementing its position as a viable investment option. BTC's outperformance is a clear indication of the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance among investors. The future of BTC. As BTC's popularity continues to rise, the future looks bright for the digital asset. Many experts predict that BTC's price will continue to rise in the coming years, with some even speculating that it could reach $1 million per BTC in the future. Several factors could contribute to BTC's future growth, including increased adoption among institutions and companies, rising demand from retail investors, and the growing popularity of decentralized finance. Investors who are looking to invest in BTC in the future should be aware of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. BTC's price is highly volatile and can fluctuate significantly within a short period. As such, investors should exercise caution and conduct thorough research. Some experts suggest that Bitcoin could potentially replace gold as a store of value, as it shares many of the same characteristics. Both assets have a limited supply and are difficult to mine, making them valuable commodities. However, Bitcoin has the added advantage of being much easier to store and transfer than physical gold. Another reason for Bitcoin's success is the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency by mainstream institutions. Companies such as Tesla, Square, and PayPal have all shown support for Bitcoin, and several major financial institutions are beginning to offer cryptocurrency services to their clients. This increased institutional adoption has helped to legitimize Bitcoin as a viable investment option. Despite the positive developments in the world of cryptocurrency, there are still concerns about its volatility and lack of regulation. Many traditional investors are wary of investing in a market that is largely unregulated and subject to wild price swings. However, some experts argue that as the industry matures and becomes more regulated, these concerns will begin to subside. In conclusion, Bitcoin's performance in the first quarter of 2023 has been nothing short of impressive. With a return on investment of over 170%, it has outperformed 5 major stock indexes and cemented its status as a viable investment option. As more companies and financial institutions begin to accept and offer cryptocurrency, it's likely that Bitcoin and other digital assets will continue to grow in popularity and value. However, it's important to remember that the market is still largely unregulated and subject to volatility, so investors should exercise caution and do their research before investing in any cryptocurrency.